Welcome, my people. This BM from Africa, a village, typical village boy born and raised in northern part of Kenya. By today, I want to show you the street welding, like I told you before. I want to show you the street welding here in the village. This is a typical village boy just trying to weld, like you see. Very interesting, very beautiful. Like you see here, he's trying a normal machine here, normal Juakali machine. But you can see he's trying to reinforce the wheelbarrow after fabricated. Yeah, it is very beautiful. See, I used to tell people how Africa is very nice. Africa is a beautiful place. You wanna see this? So just trying to Yeah, of course, you see here, try to reinforce the wheelbarrow. Yes. So let us cut this round by cutting by using the fryer. See? Yeah, nice. Nice. So first, if you're new here, please, my friend, subscribe to this channel. PM from Africa, typical village boy born and raised in northern part of Kenya. Like you see here, we want to show you how to weld normally in the village. These are arc welding in the village. Like you see, this is a normal machine, not from shop. This from the village, fabricated by the village welders here in Africa. Like I told you guys, Africa is beautiful. See this, very beautiful. We have many talent. This talent in the street, like I told you before, this is street welding. We have some challenge about fabrication here in the village. Like I told you before, this is beautiful. I like being in Africa. Yeah, you see here. So I want to take you inside to see the connection, how it's worked there, the connection of the cables from inside that one, the live wires, how it's worked so that we can get the water, the fire here. So this welder just trying to tell me that you wanna try to use a salt water arc welding machine. By next month we are going to fabricate that one. You see here, like you see here, this is a locally village workshop here in the village. Like I told you before, this very nice. You see here, the wheelbarrow is really reinforced. Like you see, this very beautiful, my friends. You see here, I want to show you everything. Like I told you, I want to show street welding. I told you very some market there outside of town. Like you see, I want to show you guys. Okay, let me show you how the connection of the wire from the main source to the machines. So like this, I told you, this machine is around if you can go and buy in the town, you are going to use around that's around 50 US dollars, but here you cannot buy with that. So you are using to fabricate this one only for only $10, you know. Yeah, 10 US dollars. I want to show you guys, like I told you before, this very nice, this is beautiful. I like being here in Africa. Like I told you before, Africa is a good place. We have talent. Yeah, you see, like this young boy is talented here. Like I told you, I want to show you the street welding. Street welding, some many workshops. Like I told you, so I want to take you inside to see the connection, how it's work from the machine here. See, from the machine here to the main source. Okay, I want to take you there so that you can see the connection step by step. Let's go inside now. This is the connection I told you about. This, you see this cable running here, this cable is turning to the main source. Like you see, this the main source. We have a meter here, this for, you have the meter there, so you have another meter. So all of them, like you see now, is welding, using a welding of this is the unit. Like you see, the unit is 0.8. The young welder here is using 0.88. You see, 0.88 unit. Like you see here, we have a bulb. This bulb here is for turning normal bulb. You see this bulb here? Yeah. And also we have some socket, you know, this wall socket for charging. And also this is the main. You see this one, this yellow in color and green. You see this one, this is the main one, right? From there, check positive and negative. This one is the negative. So we want to check this one outside. Like you see, this how beautiful is here. You see some things is working, things is working nice. You see, this is a village welder. Okay, we have another design. This for the main gate, you know. You have some many things here. Like I told you, this is the connection, rail connection.